you will need the fuel filter, a slotted screwdriver, 9/16 deep socket, some kind of thread sealant that's made for gasoline and high temperature. This is Permatex. And something to plug the end of the fuel line so it doesn't leak once you pull it off. And I'm using nitrile gloves to keep the fuel off of me. Underneath the generator, you can see this is the end of the fuel filter, and this is the clamp holding the hose on, goes to your fuel tank. I've already mostly loosened it, so you'll want to loosen that and just slide it out of the way, and then pull the fuel line off and cap it. And the yellow wire nut I got here, luckily, it just fits perfect. Alright, get your 9/16 socket. Alright, now I'm pulling the fuel filter out from the inside. And there, I got the old filter out. You'll be glad you have nitrile gloves. I've added the thread sealant down on the base of the threads, and I'm going to go ahead and insert the fuel filter from the top and get it started. You want to make sure you start it by hand so you don't cross thread. And I'm just tightening it back up now. And I'm sure you don't want to over tighten it. You will notice it's pretty tight the entire way. I think the way these things are threaded is that they're tapered, and it just slowly gets tighter and tighter and tighter. Then I'm going to pull off my wire nut here and go ahead and put the fuel line back on. Oh, perfect. Went on real easy. And I'm just going to tighten up the hose clamp here, and then that's it. From this side, you can see the fuel filters all the way up to the fuel pump. I could even see some of my thread sealant there at the very end. So we should be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and run it for a while and make sure it doesn't leak.